Alright, this is 2012 Volkswagen Audi 2.0 TT. It just came in. The oil change was done on 32316 at another repair shop. You can see right here. 32316, which was a couple days ago. And if you look on the bottom of the floor, the oil that's already spilling right there, because they left the drain plug loose on there and it has the wrong gasket on there. Now, this engine will not start at this time. I want to go ahead and show you that right now. If you come this way. We're in the vehicle with a smart key, put it on the transceiver receiver. Hitting the start button on there. The vehicle will not turn. So now what we're going to do, we're going to find out how much oil is actually in the vehicle. Instead of draining the oil, we're going to use a cycling tool to cycle all the oil out. So it can be caught into the catcher right here. You can see the oil coming through. I know it's kind of loud for the air. The oil's coming through. And then we're going to measure it right here to see how much. And just right here. On this side right here. It'll tell us exactly how much oil. See the numbers right here? It'll tell us exactly how much oil is in the vehicle. And then on this vehicle also, let me show you this. We just finished scanning the vehicle. And as you can see on the monitor right here, one of the codes right there, starter will not turn, jammed, or electrical malfunction. And that's because the motor is not turning. And we have an oil pressure switch for reduced oil pressure malfunction and a camshaft on the intake retard. Now this retard code will come up if we don't have enough oil pressure due to lack of oil in the vehicle. The O2 sensor, that's on the performance of the vehicle, and the evap is also on the fuel control side, which has nothing to do with the vehicle starting. And that is all the oil that we're getting out of the vehicle. As you can see already, we don't have a high flow right here. It's because the oil is that low. But we're going to let this run for about 15-20 minutes to make sure we have the correct measurement of how much oil is left in the vehicle, okay?